So now Odo say that teacher say no worry. Now my class people mess and boom. Only now you mess. Oh, I'm my name Olivie. Olivie no agbe Libya o. Indele wade o. Alele no o. Oh. Oh. Share this video. No, I'm not good with you. Macavero. We are fine. I must go to you. Okay, Papa with the smile. Okay, Papa with the smile. Okay, Papa with the smile. Chris Brown, I beat you. Naga to Boga. Libya Boga. Share a video no man. Share a video no man. Papa with this man. That boy, you know what? It can I Thank you very much. The song scratched my brain. Guys, that finish work. That's finish work. It's alright, guys. That guy, this guy is a singer. He get voice, get sweet voice. You understand? Everybody greet to them. Good evening. I wanna do that. I want to you don't see this evening like this. No say don't day side bed like this. He go. We need to add decan. Make our name you are. I pay you. I pay you. I credit you. Yeah, causa. Imagine, queen. Is it? I can't let video where my only go yo. Oh, Zolo, ta. Oh, pay you. Na dekun. Ma dekun. Ide ti asa. Mokpanya uhere o. Ti de o ti. Mokpanya uhere o. Mokpanya o kame o. Okay, mokpanya o kame o. Ti de o ti asa. Ti de o ti asa. Mokpanya o kame o. Ti de. Monya ya. Ti de o ti asa. Mokpanya o do me o. Ti de o ti asa. Mokpanya o do me na o. Ti de o ti. Oh, a breakfast is my easy. My easy was so happy breakfast. Oh, look at. Oh, look at. What are you saying? Oh, why is it? The man I millionaire and in the go level, you might pay breakfast. I am Muneco Lily. I want you. Oh, Bomber. I beg, give me a hand of applause. Give me love a like. I don't at least my beg on Morokwaki, I pay breakfast. Imagine go did it on your own. Bam, Ogbuduwe. Did it Ogbuduwe. My bow is smart. I want you. Don't my drink. I want you. Oh, make me. Yes, is. Obisaga Bonibose. No, Tade. Oh, yeah, Chelsea one. Oh, yeah, 3-3. Oh, yeah, get 3-3. Ah, you have Baba. Oh, you are trying to come for us with me. Yeah, remember, can you imagine this woman? Oh, yeah, Mr. 3-3. Only Visa Godo, Visa Gagbo, bo. You tell me where we come on with say when I bo go. What are you? What are you preparing? No, I mean, they cannot is a gagbo. Mamma is a gagbo, is a godo. They cannot be carried with them, Mamma. My mamma can have a taste and go to bed, don't even. And when is a gagbo, and is a godo, is a gagbo. Bo. No, I did. You are bo. Mamma mia. No, sir. I will do things. Oh, good woman. Only continue. Video. Aguanyo. About this man. Oh, you bad guy. Who na bota avatar? Ah, wow. Why etiquette? Eu tenho irmão moça, mano. Olila. Olha, Olila. Sorry. Mas tipo de Dede. Dede vai ir bem. What is it? I feel my life is dead. I mean, no, Garima. Utane. What was one of my name is a boy of the fair. Musaloba bless you. Why is there the day with me your boy? I want to get Marina. Because me, the day so me there. All my co workers. Give update about Olivie. I don't know update, but very well. Give update about Olivie.
Yours go Olivie Olivie. Come on, give update. I be my baby update.
I wanna see.
Make you update me. Yeah, Miss Akagbo. Why we don't give update to Olivie? Mama come with Olivia. Aye. Me come when the man when you give update. The update me. My auntie me Olivie me. Maybe I say there's that makala. Well, my go ba mo gbe.
Well,
oh, go get me.
Okay, no. Di anyway you can. Well, how be you?
Me that me bari. And so na me wo. I give up. Me I'm giving you update to you Miss Akagbo. When you don't give update about Olivie, me Olivie travel. Aye. Oh, go get me. I don't talk in my head. I can't about one now. I take your time. You don't need to buy. Never. When this very young week as I go, what to give update about Olivie? You change the topic about.
Voilà, comment me ko? I okona yi ha, ai ye ga mu ari la.
Ni wa sano be. O ah se me marriage why? My tell me when I be take ya no to why we need to give update about Olivie. Olivie no we had no more the talk pa ne. Oda for me no wa ge lo ato lo won ko. Are you okay?
Oli. Let's do this now.
You want me surprise where? I don't feel no one. If we go give update about Olivie. Olivie we have no video. We won't have it here for me Frank Olivie. You want to go better. Really born and you need comment what feel about.
Okay. Olivie did content people. What?
So content ki mago. Mana ke mona no let akila mo.
Hey. You. Okay.
No more class. Good evening, my lady. I don't mess up because it is surprising. Give update. I am Facebook. My me update Olivie. Abi.
Okay. The update master. How do you update you? Easy. If it's right.
If I want to forget that, so.
On dit à faire respect sans respect. Quand c'est bien, il dit, il y a qu'à work with. You. That's it. Évident. Évident, c'est non. Évident. Évident, mais il y a un auxiliaire Libye. Bidon de bain, fait ya wood nia setina. Et pas et porte nous report na les spaghetti vini. Ne porte rescue me.
I say my love, but you I want. Oh, la tamata se we me que no Olivie que la Libia.
Ma Olivie te coup.
Ma mec a de quoi Facebook.
Okay. For me layo. Mama. When I editing you do. Okay, when I content they create. Now the editing come make an link.
Oh, no kaya travel 20 years ago.
Oh God. Oh. Omo. I tired. I swear to God.
You want to go? We go wash your eye.
Okay. Now I greet the house. I greet now. But to get myself small.
You go.
Oh wait. Up with you. Up with you way. Also, I give you.
Yes. What here we are. Wow, you know. Well, yeah. Well, no say na me o.
Okay. Now I greet to know better style. I'm gonna share this video. I want to talk something for this Olivie matter. Abraham. No, say by Olivie. Abraham. Sit down, make I talk to you. I know so you can watch this video because no why Maybe your worst enemy. You don't call me, curse me. You know, see, I'm not concerned about you because I see say you are frustrated. That's why I'm not going to answer you as to Sanga be rich. You see one thing where you know the stuff. I know your problem, Sharon, for real. I know your problem. I know why you are. I know why you got to enter abroad. I know your problem because now the only way you feel they save this one. Because you will carry a warrior at the end of Nigeria. It's not even the Lagos where you really hide put, where you feel say you hide put. You don't still see for the Lagos where you hide put. That's why you still decide to run enter Libya route. You understand? I pray when you enter house successfully. My prayer will do. I pray when you enter Italy, when you go enter prison. Because now what you decide to face with that one. You understand? Your deportation banned for Europe as an asylum seeker. Now 5 years before you go enter any European countries, any Schengen country. The only country where you feel enter now with visa, America, Canada, UK, Turkey, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Ghana. I'm not so very laughful. Anyway, I go back to the country no until laugh. Oh God. Yes, sir. Even Kenya, South Africa, you understand? Namibia. And all those when you enter all those countries, you don't go prison. But you see any European country where you go enter now, and 5 years imprisonment. Now let me tell you one thing. I don't tell this thing for live video. When will they come from Libya? When we enter Italy, our boat dropped us for Taranto, or Italy, a city called Taranto, and therefore drop us. Taranto, and therefore we don't Satan Italia, Satan Italia. They drop us. There's a man where they follow us cross enter Libya. As they drop us, they started to put our hand for ground, the fingerprint us. Immediately they fingerprint that man. That man was deported in Germany with his wife. They live in wife. They deported the man. You understand? So immediately, as they put that man hand for ground, bam, everything I read, they pick that man from that place. They call police. Police come. My police motto. I remove that man come out. And that's what we hear what the man is doing today. Now the only thing we know about the man, when the wife come, and what's going to say the wife be the one, and we I know this be that one. The fingerprint was because I'm in this front with the line, the fingerprint was the come. As they reach the town, they put in for ground back. As they also into the next thing, they keep the whole land, they don't fingerprint that pass like that to get the whole land there with police come, they carry come out. Police carry come out, they come fingerprint me on. So they got to carry us with the bus. They move us, come Verona from Taranto, carry us come Verona. You understand? Now when my wife call it talk, now your wife can't let me know, say, he tell me stay house. You know here. Say now 5 years bond they give her. You say if he pass Libya, consider don't think will happen. Now if he pass Libya at house. So get on that loss today. You understand? So I pray when you come because even prison here better pass Nigeria. Who they prison for abroad better pass to Nigeria. For some people. But one thing we want that we could make your partner now go become super story for social media. You know why? When they deport you, Olivie, Nami break the news. When you try to hide them from the general public, Nami break the news. And you call in on that video, you dey brag, so you did people they enjoy, you go near why pay blah blah you bid on Nigeria. You confirming big boy. Hoping say everything there with you based on your stories. Actually they collect money for Germany, and government pay you off all this thing. You understand? Okay, you get to Nigeria. Before we know what's the happen, you don't start to beg for streets. You start to beg. A nogi come out. A nogi will be your enemy. Who you claim to be your friend was your enemy. A nogi refused to tell you the truth to your eyes. Where them your FB, Rita Kokobiri, where they say they want sue German government. They want to do this one. They want to take layer. Where precious men, eye service helper. Where are they? Are they seeing this picture or they're blind? They don't see them. You see illiteracy where they worry many of them. All those mobility. That's why they mess them up unnecessarily. Because they're going to feel someone smart. I advise you as a brother, I say, guy, this bongo wey dey so. Many guys dey bongo wey blow. Brother Mike no go even dream of not saying you want to come Italy. Brother Mike, no, if you even give Brother Mike visa and say come Italy, no go come Italy. Me they tell you now, Brother Mike no go dream to come Italy, say he want to come hustle for Italy. He want to come do shorty again for Italy. It don't go feel happen. If you give Brother Mike money now, say take Italian passport, come stay Italy, come do shoro. Brother Mike no go come. Come stay Italy, come do fabrica work. Brother Mike no go come. Me they tell you now. And Mike is there. You don't want to come this Italy, come do shoro again. You go Nigeria, the same you. But I might not get crowd way for long. You now you get wife, you get son. We don't match. We do cameraman. We do video. You get daughter. We don't grow big. They eloquent. They can speak well. You get them. You can still get friends. You can still get area boys. For that same Lagos where they stay. You rent house. You picked your house, normally living where? You understand? Living where? When you're supposed to sit down, they create good content. They create good content. Look okay, stand well. Instead, you go create your content for Lagos there. With all those Yoruba, Morocco smoker. When you date Germany, Olivie, you go there Facebook, they do your EVA. 2 person not go to watch you. 2 person not go to watch you. When you date Naija, when the people begin to advise you, they create content. You say, okay, now you want to create content. Upon the more content where they create, people, you see, they get 60-something views. 100K view. Wait till you never dream of for your life, so you will get. You start to collect money for Facebook. Your page is a monetized page already. You start to make money for Facebook. The same Facebook where many boys from Nigeria get, where they say blow, where they say hammer, where they say buy car, they build house. Epa, you reach your turn, you focus on go back to Libya. Now you don't go abandon your children and wife for Nigeria. You want chest Libya route. You want chest Libya route. Don't put that woman now to become single mother, single. Bola go don't run for that woman now. Only you make your now. Your wife now will like break past any of that thing. You know how I like it here, say. Because that woman like it here. Mama senior mama na born, not go born it like that. Under how many years? Olivie, when I share this video, make you see this video. You fell past this same Libya route the first time you enter jammed. Your dirty character, your stupidity, your courtesan lifestyle not make you stay. You were deported. You come back the second time, you pass Morocco. You fight, keep people for Morocco. Do all manner of shit. At the end of the day, you still enter Italy. Your nyama lifestyle not let you stay for Italy. You don't go Germany. You reach Germany, if you carry pig go abroad, now mud water go for bath. You don't go swim for swimming pool. Now potter for one bath. You still go there with your wife. All your body now also battle has cutlass, stabbing knife, bottle, knife for your body. The same thing with your wife. You use tattoo the cover mark for body. Your rough life where you live. Still on still. We not bargain. Il y a des no sit down for bongo. Not be everybody they make abroad. And they use Brother Mike's story, they give you an example. When brother man they go Nigeria, brother man go open fish pond. Fish pond not pond. Last. He bounce back to streets again. Which is content creating. Today, not be fish pond business where brother man give a mind. Say what to go do for Nigeria. Not be to build the house we build. With not be Bellissima nightclub, Bellissima hotel. Ubera my gets. Not be this fish point they build down. Now content. You don't feel sit down as a man. We get family. Use your own lifestyle to create content. Your way of living, your way of taking responsibility in your house, your way of taking care of your children, carry your children to school. You don't feel use and create content for that job. Maybe they make money. You go back BMW where they drive Jeep. Like say they drive trailer for Nigeria. How far you go sell Jeep to Talibia road? Where you foresee money where you take buy Jeep, you don't feel use that. You don't feel use that account make money, make you buy, make you build house. Bro, where you foresee money for Nigeria? We had the Jeep, we had the BMW Jeep, we have in Nigeria. Almighty, they also that on the tension. Take get the one way past that one. My brother, don't be able to wake up about the drive motor. So your coat according to your size. Don't be for tailor will not get material. Now your guy, now be hype man. Bring it to.
You want to attend the no get marriage. I mean, you go back.
Okay.
You want to attend the no get marriage, you go back. Why you not remember?
But why say one can attend the no get marriage?
My no get marriage they call. Nana I understand. Tell baby my mama will leave it to me. Not true.
Oh yeah, Makwada. Who have done this to you, my brother? See the way you be like bed with the live. Now this one you know what they call Ojo Mama Dieda Sio. When they beat bear picking. Your belly was a move. We got this table with Jamie Koda bebe. You don't want to get it. See Libya life. One night I'll book my around. I come to you, but this one will buy person. Allah salam alaikum. Chai. Kai. Gamish luto. Gamish luto. The chromo. The salo. I be no one laugh. But the thing they make me laugh. Only your stand, your be done when you hold it, make me laugh. You can't stand like you not get back in my mind again. Who have done this to you? Abraham, I want to he every people might go work one. Abraham, a manager look you wadi. Would they manager look like Libya? Abraham. Would they know is so what like is a dog? Oh, do a will like is where I do every Friday. I'll pass do. Every Friday you must go bury your marriage for Bini. So, oh, no gia no gota. We like with a red rice. We don't have for the marriage. Olivie, Olakoko. Oh, with a red dress. Oh God. I Olivie, you don't have your meha. More no direct we cannot like it carry your what's here. Do you know how long it's going to take you to go back to Nigeria again? If you don't know, make I tell you, you automatically scatter your marriage. Automatically, who were your marriage were now? Believe it or not, you coming back to Europe now, leaving your wife for her. Now I say join. I your guy with the help they do content. When they do everyone to color they do content creator. Now I'm going to help you now, they help your wife, they do content. Oh, we are content working away. Where is Ivan? They don't back over. I'm not going to
Oh, they don't want no money. Yeah, arrange the doctor for my guy. Once one land, the day will be there waiting for you. Don't worry.
Don't play. You're going to learn. This time, you're going to learn the hard way. With bidon. What's wrong with bidon, eh? Don't
worry, I'm
okay with my guy. If I look bad, I can't but I look with brown. You see your life, Olivie. Let me tell you, as I laugh, you are going to tell you the truth. Because life now, teacher, the more you live, the more you learn. When I share this video, because many of them will see they plan to do this kind of dubious character, where this guy get go still learn. Any kofra man we not smart is a dirty boy. Any kofra man we don't join courts, you don't get agility, you don't get not smart for brain. It means you be stupid man. Oh. You don't even need to join kofra. You can't be a strong man and you become stupid at the same time. It means you're not a strong man, you're a fool. You understand? Olivie, I'm going to talk to you so make you learn. Because I got to wonder, say, people like this go to join courts. You don't know what you be. You don't know what you belongs to. You go to join courts. Because the reason why they don't hate us get around because of courtism. This is the disadvantage of being a courtisan. You understand? Since you've been in Nigeria, you've never visited your father's land, Benin, because of kofra. Because of the evil you have done in the land. Because you know, say, fuck up of 10 years, don't forever. They will treat you fuck up if you call us. You hang up for Lagos. You decide to rent house for Lagos. Even in Lagos, when you see there, you never see there okay for there. Because of the same kofra. You understand? Now you decide to take a bone of coming to Libya route. You don't even come to Libya route, my brother. Is it necessary to say you're gonna do video? Alema, journey of 50-50. It's a journey of 50-50. You dey do video, you dey cast yourself. You dey cast yourself for Libya route, say they come Libya. They come abroad, they pass. People will still dodge secretly, enter. They don't still make camp. No on top of you, they cast yourself, they go. Maybe you carry a full squad. I mean, you carry your wife and your children follow, but maybe you go pack all your children follow body. You. Maybe now your children did that inside that loss. When they use cloth cover head. You understand? Even the in-laws will enter a VIP. The in-laws where this guy pass enter Libya. Now VIP, they don't reach 20 with this side. In-laws will mean no. See if they come or they come from Libya. They pass Libya, they come. They reach like 30 to 40 people go there somewhere in-laws. And they load down. Bam. So now Libya, now abroad be the ultimate. Now abroad be the ultimate. Many people did this abroad for years now. They don't feel build hotel. People did Nigeria will not there, will not go abroad and they build hotel. As we really speak now, Nigerians now don't get monetized for their page. Facebook, my Zuckerberg don't even help Nigerians. Nigeria don't get extreme hate. If you do live video for Nigeria, if you monetize your page for Nigeria, if you control your page for Nigeria now. Nigeria is not eligible country. There's a monetized eligible country now for Facebook. When you take us now you first enjoy Facebook. Now this time now you first enjoy Facebook because Facebook now is already eligible for Nigeria. You see the Libya route now, you can't only leave your page follow body. You don't leave the page for your wife, for us. Maybe they create content, they collect the money for us. Maybe they eat. If they dare us, peradventure maybe you carry the follow body, they pass Libya route, and your son go the video you saw. If it be like that, safe journey. The one we never put one for ground side, they pack the go camp. The one we never put one for ground, they pack the go prison. Now so. Now so. Because I don't get it. But inside there, so congratulations. If you feel confirm, but when I share this, you go give them, make the hear them. If you feel confirm, definitely Prison for abroad, they better pass private house for Nigeria. Because even the way they live for the Nigeria self, you they live like who they say. You go date it or you go sleep for it or they snow. Since you reach Nigeria, I never see your wife with you. Apart from when you console your wife. Say you they do your content, your wife they support you. Your wife go dey inside bedroom, they sleep. You go your day parlor where you pet like Ayala Lashi, right? You go use the sleep for TikTok. Now TikTok you come when they call do people. Say we be Benin people, you insult, you use your mouth insult Benin people. After they don't donate money for you, you say Naisha donate the money, not the Benin. Say the only Benin person will give money, now be Oduman will give you 1 million. I listen to your video, I laugh you. I call the mock Enogi. I say Enogi, you see your life. This is the person where you donate money for. Enogi don't see this video since yesterday now. He lock up a quandary because he's disappointed. Instead of to stay hard focus, start to create your content. Some of the things where people think they make money for Lagos. Baba. Lagos na no man's land. Where you feel make owo better style. People they create content with different things. Ordinary bottle flip. People they use bottle flip, they click content. You get children, you get plenty children, get plenty friends. They go mechanic workshop. At the end of the month like this, you make money for Facebook page. You carry 200,000 naira. You see when you want to create content. Especially the money we go use that content to make go past 500 or 600 as your benefits. Now money they buy money. You cook food, ordinary food, so cook food, cook turkey, buy turkey, cook and put on the ground. Gather street children. Make they call it do photo flip. Anybody will do photo flip, go carry one turkey. You feel standard, go take spoon, go eat. You don't already get car. You understand? For example, you don't get car, you get mobilization. I don't know what thing be this man problem. But when you just decide to enter Libya route. The opportunity where you get it big past many. Now even what people they look for, people did that they never get what they work, what they work. That your car say you feel the user to do Uber. If you don't want to create content, you feel the user to do Uber. I know of a guy for Benin. He get YouTube channel, he get Facebook page. That guy, you know how much the guy they make. The guy no more who leave the money with the guy they make for Facebook and YouTube. The one people they dash the guy. You know what the guy they do? You go just wake up like this by just on live, you go on the video. The video street they go. Because so today I am going to Udo. All the villages where they Udo road. You go to mention and say right now we are not in what do they call it, Yekovia, we are not in Komu, we are not in this one, we are not in Reze. This is Reze Primary School. All those villages, you see people say, this is my village. They're going to know their village. They're going to know how their village road can look like. This road is not bad. That one, I mean the content of that guy. Now the content of that guy be that one. If you come and they do those kind of content too for that same Lagos where you so, you know me bad thing. That content. Your story for Germany alone, it will take you 6 months to use and create content. If you be man, we get sense. Your stories for Germany. Your stories how you were deported before you were deported all your life or Italy stroke Germany. You go use and create content for good how many months. I tell you this thing. I use and give you advice. But you overlook them. When I go to give you words of wisdom because you don't get sense, you overlook them. You say that Libya, you want buy put. You say that Libya route, neither your eye. I tell you, say, guy, use your story to create content. Brother Mike use his story to create content. He take blow. You don't know. Ordinary hospitality where they don't give Brother Mike for Italy, for Radio Emilia. Hospitality where they don't give Brother Mike. Brother Mike use and create content. Nigerian man not going to help Nigerian man for abroad. I know what I pass through for Radio Emilia. When I say a fellow Nigerian man, give me hospitality, make category no doc. He use and create content. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, he cut them. You know how many views he carry? That video don't pass 1 million views. That video don't pass 1 million views. Just another spectacle. We not purpose not give up for Italian name. He not mention the person name. The person not go face name. The person go know himself. He use and create content. Don't talk of you. Now, my people, You dey make bid for Germany. You not work, they fight, you be courtist. You feel use all those things create content. My people, all my life for Germany, I know they work. I go knock some finish, I go make bid. I go make bid finish, but I go give me. Mama, I go wear my shirt, they do like us well. My people, if you did Germany, go work. I know what I pass through. Hear my story for Germany. After I wear my shirt finish, my wife will carry me down, we go fuck. I go fuck finish with the ball. Now so ball with ball.
If not, go collect money
for you guys. Job center go give us.
We don't learn language.
We don't go school.
We don't learn bise.
I was not bise.
It's a very good one. What they go with one? No, let bise.
Oh, let bise. Now we know. Don't die. My God.
Bueno, no cuál es algo. ¿Cuál es algo? Bueno, il conseille que les Nigériens n'ont pas septembre. On a pas septembre.
Wame.
A me soit dané, bawe ah.
Can you imagine?
On m'a cloué.
When road clear. June, July, when road clear. You dey chop, you dey sleep for live video. June, July, when road clear for Libya road. You dey sleep for live. We be say river calm. River calm, no rain. Everywhere sun, the river don't cool down. Everybody fly the towers, pian. You not come. You go enter when ready the force. 6 months, ready the force this morning. I ready the yak pack on this road. So 6 months. As I talk to you now, ready the 4. Where they don't spoil. Where they don't good again. I'm telling you.
Yeah. My amutaka will paduza.
You can't work for copy.
No bold.
Let's leave joke apart. You understand? You understand? Any put the men I make, bro. See, this thing here they talk be funny, only if not me. So nobody done that deportation. We're going to Europe.
Where you can work,
I can see about with the
who is where the day we are away fresh.
I tell you.
Oh, I could call you my love. Oh, I think we want fresh. One friend that for you. You were so late.
What are they? Yeah, well, Menwa, sir. I'm going to be deported, please. Yeah, well, yes. What do you want? Can you carry my today for me?
Yeah, well, you're the day we remain here because you're the day citizen of Italy. You're the day go nowhere.
Well, please. I need my daddy.
My wife and a police were get. I'm going with my young boy. A police asking me when no, I go with him. Oh, I will come out and video me. Everywhere one of them were breaking news. Share the video. Breaking news. Oh, bye. Oh, I call it Jen or soon. Oh, we say. Oh, Salomo, we say. Oh, bye.
Okay, deport Olivie. You Salomo, so should be done. My guy.
Only where we make every son and every Then do my where we make every son and every Nigeria.
Jimmy, so should be down.
We were content.
Olivie is a big my guy. Yeah, as a guy looking.
You know where you are saga.
I'm telling you. If we never will like you want video me. Message to Olivie. Yeah, you
they don't know where they will go. Also, Marati. What's the Marata? Yeah. Cosa? What they be doing? We go back by your when we fuck up with Manu.
Me ma was saga with her.
No way. I want that guy. I want to see what you're doing anyway. Oh, anyone don't bear. I really because I soon anyway.
Okay, come on. How do you feel that? Okay. Relax, don't go, Babella. On the way is he going? He dey go to America. America again. America is not here.
Well, what about wedding time? He's going to Canada. Where do you come? Mama think about August. Mama put about June. Mama about July.
When a worried boy now, if you don't believe your worry. You understand? Ulawa the first time, but few knew where you no change. You not deport you. You came back the second time. Osono bona le mudianwe. Osono bona mudiane. Oh, you know, can I kwari Germany? That's one abiele. A man that have sense, that have wisdom, is intellectual. That the man give you school now. And I go and you could have asked whether you may waste time because we're everywhere. And when not the apple, we forget that not the apple. Those guys, this conductor lifestyle. All worry Abraham, all ceremonial balance in the webo. You understand? Even any more webo. They are still abroad. Mommy, no.
Mommy, oh, see my mommy day here now.
Yeah, when you want to balance. That's still doing it.
Mommy love.
Mami when one the webu ana deport you are o yiri so wo baye ni nwa e dey only be the stupid say for real ema nyama mo mu are wa I ta mu work back am now ana mo mu are wa
e go be tomato and we
buy it but ya go lo na webu you understand no ya de gbe owo we boy do ni woman la ni kun
thank you
ikun udo wa be ko uso ya boy we are here do ti ya boy ko we like too flat be do we ti ya stand too flat be ko steady we ya wan get obo you understand as you did there with it and when that the brother market ball one because not boy had cement not boy had car not boy had concrete not boy had rods not boy the plank I do any we are here the road we about the team we are the road a road na 1 inch with 5,000, yeah, my 7,000.
I love you too.
You understand? Yeah, my 7,000. And those things now they cost obviously. Money go when the boy ya bow in Nigeria. You go no why ya bow in Nigeria. Person we did that. I know what you talk about. Yes, now if you did that, look, you be street girl, you know what to do. You feel by yourself go cook road. By yourself go building material for Lagos Street. Which way are very? When you go na him. But we are na agree man you. Even in the okay, we're not going to go to you understand, you know, unless you get genuine person will really genuinely if they do this for you, gonna see they do for me heart. Anyway, go. You understand? Or all video on your mirror, or all tell or say or bed. You understand? Bet 85% of it imagine. How can you imagine? When they get or not going to be honest, no, they're now deporting you even a boy. Do you know one of the boy that I have one
oh, thank you.
One the boy na guy bo wa mu kere.
Yes.
Do you know how many company the boy na go and control with Nigeria? This one not giving them why no. This one not this straightforward, not the honest, not the sincere no. Do you know how many companies this boy would help people they control for us? Many houses with this. I swear to God.
We am a contract
because the boy you for not even renters.
People for even
somebody call me now when I talk about live video. You know, matter, you know, all one already. Mune, you water. One, you got a problem the way I remember. The boy now, who are to Momudia, you don't want Ima there. Very me Facebook or with very young, Ima and the man, so my God. Wow, and there, I go one year, go where you were. You can wear, you know, now, letting out money, ash on my man. Because he only got his own way. Or man get there with you. You understand? I want to wait Franco walk up my own in my home. You understand? There was a time when I was wanting me. And when you just they go. He gave me too flat. Me no live video and now live video now you too flat in me. And you don't know what we ask you to do. You understand? I'm not too flat in me. Is it not because of my attitude not there in social media?
Yes.
No what there in social media. And me why here so why me right? You understand? He to the man no. It's all we examine in Epa okay yon. But due to a spirit with my money. You understand? Because I always follow with my spirit. They don't want a big boat thinking. You watch them, we have but it's a nice man, and I appreciate him for that. You understand? I'm a good way with children, with wife. You know, you trust him. How you can be worse and be rugged and be rough. You have children as a family man, 6 children. Even you trust you are not still worthy to be trusted. My brother, go and work by yourself. Everybody is not ultimate. Everyone you make a road, my guy. Which way you do the bogey the first time, the second time, the third time, you will do the bogey. See by a way, I just imagine the kind of things when they come this guy bring. When he bring road, if I near you, what way to do? Once a correct or made total of a good bed. What I be parallel on good bed. Can you imagine? Go. And do you know how many calls we make? Then after we go not where we go not go me you know. You know, go deportation now go you know. I brought the idea. Then we deportation now go soon and like we can't make call. We dey make even I said be neighbor you know we can man where erowa. Yes sir. Okay, we all believe okay get erowa. Don't know everything I want deported. You know can go not deport. The next month now come around 1 was we see the make up. Next time bed there we did. We see the make up. We go have to record person. The person say record go give go. Because I dey okay they as they sleep. For night. Market to help was Sunday. Where of ye woa. Can you go can? E my lock up. The next morning now call go after. E me na deported me. Go where you sure? You know, Baba, you are deported girl and now you are you sure? Me a boss say live video. Go where you know you are post live video, nothing post the news. I mean I cast the news lad. B. You go approve. You know you have some big way. Well, who lay do when I give a guy man no gilling idea. A phone when or go born in when YouTube channel, on Facebook page. A company when more one, you go with you when company are we are cash out. Men or railway born and you go pay your 450 euro. You are made the money a Facebook, you know, 450 euro calculated to Nigeria currency and yet Nigeria currency now. Or pay flat for a year. You understand? 450 euro is most close to 1 million. Or pay flat for a year. And pay a room in a 2-bedroom in the Roman. A Facebook on one. If you are really hustling man of the village now also, and on it now like Bolivia. And we are like Bolivia when they are creating content. You can even leave Lagos to Abuja to go and create content. You can leave Lagos, go to the villages of Lagos there. All those Okitipipa, Ore, Ondo, Alakure. You go create content there. Lodge hotel, create content, good content. Meet with all these content creators. Explain to the tell what you want to do. You will see someone go there, they will put you through. Okay, no, so you don't link up. You link up with all these big content creators. You don't get good idea, you don't get good initiative. It's not by education. You understand? People will also see you as an illiterate, but they give us they bring good vibes. Come on, everyone I like you. Everyone tell you how you going. People will give you stars. They're going to pity you. You don't get good ways from that. One man of approach. Who go anyhow? You want to support you where the 2.something million you came and you started insulting them. Today you end up your life coming to live the idea. Ade, Marema. You know the only I can.
No, we more we don't do baby, we don't say how you are. Ya said, I'm more cool, no way, one of the good to swap beer.
Tired. We are watching now.
When you have a bought me at a body, I have more COVID in
I let you talk. It is talk about me on work now.
Let me talk in young bad dinner. I mean, young bad dinner.
Already be a burger. Again, as my go power go buy the beer.
I can get one before. What over come over? Shh. On the car, however.
Ide a page now. In Libya, Johnny the Olivie talk show. Olivie, we don't believe it. No Olivie now. You did it.
I think what I had Italy before I get at a moment.
You know, I will have you Italy. I beg Olivie, why is no way I here? Make sure we cross the line, we no put anybody for fear. Okay. I don't want to cry for anybody this time around.
Okay, I tell you the woman that for ya the way scooter for very life.
Me go at the scooter, me never ask what is a lobo. Me abi at all. I thought they die for film.
Ah wow, bad guy. All that big.
What are you saying? But this my sister is doing his summer sort. He gave away like another.
Saloba was sister.
You see that before that dinner?
No ma.
He didn't want to get my king table no.
No ma.
He did. Ya mumi saget boba. I rush me. Uwe down blast again. You fi say drip your bed. You know no me. Konyo me no me.
You make a walk boy. You make a boy agbo. I will also walk, but we are in a way. But we are come to care me. Vuto. Oh, the vuto.
I put this in mind, Megata. In that, you wait there. Nakano, that is it. I don't know where I dig it. You literally see. I just shook out my pockets. Because then I open my eye. I don't see police also around me.
Only better Saloba was safe face when I am Moseo. Where you robo.
My guy.
Saloba Pologbe.
You be out there.
The bed de normal.
You be out there, no be yo.
Saloba Mugano.
Got it for that day. And looking where we bottom my day. Moto mali this is even moto ya villa there shakumani little ya lady only one match me bra only wa gba o wa gba steady me for the gba you know where
we no happy we e ma na akin ade e
kenya wa aye ni na this is my first time that area your first time people all those boys ya kiss me wali ya we sweet be ya kiss wali wa very wali because wali now we go to look all those Asian things. Hey, now whatever. We anyway has down here. Oh boy. Anyway, at the police. No, police were there. Police now come blast. When the police, when those police come, I never to collapse like that. I never collapse like that. Yeah, I never hear that. Understand? I was seeing everybody, but I was weak. I no feel raise my hand, raise my leg. I was just weak. But I hear what they talk. So when the police they ask me, what's my name? I say Victor. Me tell me now what me tell me say me to na no go. The next thing, they want to boy a wallet. I want a wallet in here. I police in your show. They say police so they are going to go wallet in my guy. You going to go to wallet in me. Make marriage day. Me wo wallet the police work the wallet me yana wari e document me no we ba e ya say ambulance na wari ba ya wari ba ma ye the wallet na ri ki wallet yo ki phone police dey me na dey police try e fien e live video me di na video na ya dey me dey see the live the phone for hand I dey see am for ground there police dey try dey cut the live as police call life, come pack the phone. But the one was in my pocket, he pack up. Got the phone from ground, bragada. You know, when the phone, you know, you I'm blasting it. Police now, la vidéo n'a pas scooter, il y a la mokba. You want to make him now say, that's all. Now when they call the drive me the crew for road, they don't feel me the beginning. He drive me here, the now wake up, it's an ambulance.
Bad guy.
I said, wake up, man.
Where am I?
The first person we have, oh boy, as I wake up, the noise going. If we have the 3-4 will just ring it. A policeman here, he might be here. we were blasting to the phone. This is me when I bow. Even by what me I think no be king, mommy king. Sarah. Iwa the first person that got pick up a cover was Sarah. You know, I'm memory in that video. Hello. I did. You thank God. You don't pick. You thank God. You know, I did fine. I did sound blast. Me have a call. But you know, see, when I drop on it, you are very busy. You know, I'm more busy. Epa, Alpha, I did okay. The word blast. When you have the care, it is I don't want to call you. The next thing, you produce no one for the phone. You know what I you know what going for blast.
The way at me.
Me my lad down make it you.
My lad down, et me we your na me score we.
Me the way Emma wo
really that soon we not me score we create men wo soon. Me ga be na me your me na we me phone me score. You know with it me na me dey call we back. And I walk anyway I jiro e ya yo. Ya jiro Facebook. And I me ya mo ya te egba yo ya.
When you get here, you not be the blasting. I don't see you make then if your phone is busy, I mean not you way. Many to go mamugba. It was phone because it might have a camera. You do on Facebook. You know what click your Facebook. You know what press the camera Facebook. Now I'm with that going. I snap a post. Now I post it. Okay. Anyway, I post so that near making I go. Because the call was too much. The only way to seize that call is just to post, to show to people where this is my situation right now. I'm not winning. One of them, big automatically, no automatically. Mary posted, I didn't give me posted. A call it calling up more. Quand il va bon. Single mother. Il est la vidéo. Mettez-vous la vidéo. Ogbaniate yanu ni ogbaniate yoro ni adi poto gbede. Olivie. Already be Agadesiba. You are le Saba. Okay, c'est type polile. When they go on a day, you want to be done, you know, you will be done. Nana, you gonna have a lava. My sister, we are not here. We are if not transfer, if not on that, sorry. I'm seeing a brown. By me, where the bricks creamy, where every dark one with your bow. Very dark mass, I'll see my ye. Very dark mass, a man was in a man who I want the king with bricks creamy. I'm going to be a tongue. Yeah, taking can you pure thing lalaba. A pure thing you walk up your talk. Oh, pure what I hear. Very good. Really good brother. Abraham, I know the radio, my new committee. I think with you. I think you are taking BMW. You had organic cream. Mammy can have organic cream. That's the problem. My sister, Papa Joko, if you see Abraham now, he don't black. You click up. I did like videos I talked to you so much. I don't put the picture there. Picture we just take today. No one. Yeah. Abraham phone there. You might believe you are talking joking. I'm joking. Abraham waffle. Abraham, you don't to see. Jimmy Noga. Jimmy Magbe. You're Jimmy saying you terrible. Why you poke, huh? Why you know? I'm not going to go here. One year, I'm going to phone for one. Go work, no work. Jimmy suck more. That's a down see. You were do. What?
La otra parte ni ano elu etaba uwe serious ya bitu we ba uwe agbuge
De na hiwo
una we nanigo na ya mwela wa we emego
I let me go.
You know say
The man is going to have a babble to an old
because ukuri no kolipa we wakama o magie o masirios o wakama era o kona akoli kona me ako imeno bi ogeno a bisu serious because ike ni asa Tamo mama igite ni asa ni no asa ne tamo
Bega tu quatro viu bem. Va? O que era mais ele digo. E a bugue. Why do sanga viene para you know? Mano stão. Eu, mere mani digo. Que não sou do Frank we. Olivie digo. Esse filme dia yanwa ni pa. Mami ele digo. O nome eu go de bidamos across. But we are get me where we go for. On not here BMW like Bolivia. No way down vessel. No way down vessel. It's one I tell you now, we must say that. Look at. Hello? Eh, call ye. Oh, hello. Where your title is be take where what done on that bodega Abraham. It be woman. Koya.